Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making today tea for cough, sore throat and cold. This tea is very strong. I've tried it several times and it worked. So I advise you to try this tea. So what I'm going to do, I cut up all my ingredient, and I've got here whole pepper. If you don't want whole pepper, you can use flex chili. You can use that one. I cut off my ginger. I've got my ginger here, garlic and onions. So I'm boiling my water. So I'm going to add all the ingredients in and allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes. So I drink it like that. I don't add honey or whatever. You can add like sea salt a little bit if you want, but I drink mine like this. Thank you. So my tea is boiling. I put just 2 cups of water. So after 20 minutes, my tea is done. I'm going to drain it. I put just 2 cups. So 1 in the morning and 1 before bed. You can even drink 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. So this is my tea. And it's good to drink it hot. Or you can let it cool down, then you can drink it. So this is my tea for cold, cough, and cold. So cold, cough, and sore throat. Sorry. Thank you for watching my channel. Love you all. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless you. Goodbye.